Okay, so sometimes your mod wheel gets screwed up because of plugins you might use, and for some reason it's just missing from FL Studio. It doesn't control what you expect it to control. One workaround for this is to go to your installed generators. Fruity starts with a W. It's a wrapper, and you can add that to your project. And this is, you can see, it's just a wrapper only. But what you can do is then go to the top and go to generators, and it'll be listed here along with all of your other sound generators. Open this, and this is the modulation wheel. You can control any parameter right here, but you can also go ahead and do your link to controller deal. You should set it to Omni, and then I don't remove conflicts because that works better for like when I use BRSO articulate in different programs, or I don't know, it just works for me. Then you can move your mod wheel, and that should sync it back up with FL Studio. So now I've got my mod wheel back, and that'll basically just get it working project wide. So I don't know why FL Studio stopped receiving my mod wheel, but that's a good fix. You just add a fruity wrapper to your template and you're good to go. Hope that helps.